Whenever I edit any video on mobile, I rely on these 5 game-changing AI tools. They can literally reduce your editing workflow by 79%, saving you over 7 hours of manual work. The best part? All of these AI tools are 100% free, and I personally use them to craft my videos. Before we dive into the list, make sure to like and hype up this video. When you're deep into video editing, there always comes a moment where your mind just goes completely blank. You get stuck wondering what to edit next or which scene should come after. This doesn't just happen to you, it happens to everyone. However, professional editors combat this by using a storyboard, keeping their creative flow seamless. If you are a mobile editor, you might be wondering, how do I generate a high-quality storyboard from my phone? For that, you can use this incredible tool called Storyboarder.ai. All you need to do is paste your video script, select the specific theme or genre you want, and hit generate. As you can see, your complete visual storyboard is ready. Using this will drastically speed up your overall editing process. Now let's move on to the next AI tool. When editing a video, you often have to perform multiple tedious tasks, removing backgrounds, enhancing image quality, or getting rid of annoying watermarks. Instead of cluttering your phone with multiple AI apps, you just need this one application, Magic Eraser. Remove objects. It's completely free on the Play Store. Once you open it, you get direct access to premium tools like object removal, background removal, AI enhance, and image expansion, all packed into a single app. Whenever we need to generate assets like images or videos, we usually hop onto Google Gemini or other popular software. But more often than not, they leave you with annoying watermarks or subpar quality. And generating AI video? Well, let's not even go there. To fix this, you should try out Qwen Chat AI. It lets you generate stunning, high-quality images and videos with 0 watermarks, avoiding the typical visual glitches found in other tools. Starting every video completely from scratch can be exhausting, especially when views are hard to come by. Instead, you should leverage ready-made templates and professional motion graphics. To make your visuals stand out instantly, you can use 2 amazing AI tools, Motionvid and Swishy.ai. They offer hundreds of pre-made motion graphics and assets that you can easily export and drop straight into your video timeline. Want studio-quality audio without buying an expensive microphone? Then it's time to stop using Adobe Podcast. While it enhances your voice, it often leaves it sounding way too robotic. For a genuine studio feel, try Clean Voice. The process is just as simple. Upload your raw audio file, select your preferred settings, and download the processed track. I won't repeat the usual line to like and subscribe, because I already know you've done that. See you in the next one.